How do you simplify square root 300? Well, let's get started. Let's begin by creating a factor tree so we can get all the prime numbers that multiply together that equal 300. So let's begin. 3 times 100 is 300. 3 is prime, so I'm going to circle that. And then let's go with 4 times 25. Then 2 times 2, both of these numbers are prime. And then 5 times 5. So now we have all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal 300. I'm going to rewrite them under the square root sign. So I have a 3, a 2, a 2, a 5, and a 5. And we got those numbers from here. So now what I can do, since it is a square root, which is two numbers multiplied together, I can pull out pairs. So I'm going to pull out this pair of 2's, pull out a pair of 5's, and then we have square root 3. I can multiply the 2 times the 5, and that equals 10 square root 3. There it is, simplified. If you would like to estimate it in decimal form, so we have 300. I know 17 times 17 is 289, and 18 times 18 is 324. So it falls about here. So why don't we guess at 17.2, and if you put it in the calculator, you get 17.3205. So we were kind of close. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.